is August 2nd and we are officially out of Nebraska. We are in Phillips, South Dakota at the feedlot right now. There's a truck filling cattle right now. But we are staying here for the night and then taking off early morning and should be home around noon tomorrow or early afternoon. So stay tuned, we'll let you know. But we are stopped for the night. Their John Deere got hit by a really bad storm. I do believe it was a little while ago. I do remember when another HarvestHER said on their way down south that there was a bad storm that went through here. But their John Deere definitely is still wrecked. But that is what's going on here. So wish us safe travels and hopefully we're home at a decent time tomorrow and we can see the children. August 3rd, we are on our last stretch to home. We just stopped in Hazelton, North Dakota. We had one combine parked there looking for work, but didn't get any, so I dropped coal off, and now we are off to home. All the rest of the equipment is a little ways ahead of us because we had to fill fuel and that semi and stuff. So I am driving my semi with the grain trailer and camper. Cole has that semi with the combine, and one of our hired hands behind us with my camper. So we are in North Dakota. Everybody is back in the state, and everything will be home here in a few hours, and then off to start unloading and figuring out what needs to go in the house and what needs to stay in the camper and the fun. But that is what we are up to right now. We are all back in our home state and we'll be home here soon.
So it's a new crop, a new set of concerns, a new settings. Everything's new and different. But I'm gonna guess by the end of the day, we should have things pretty well figured out. So Jim's in the beast right now trying to get the settings and stuff set so that it's as clean as he wants it to be. I guess there's a weed out here that's dealing fits for both machines because it's seed wants to stay in the bin rather than going out the back.
The stuff that's up the hill that's got all that seedy shit in it. Rod says we can't clean it.
Too much.
Yeah, but this stuff down here, like I said, I'm getting by with it.
Half of the cutter bar is working, so I'm guessing that broke. Here's where it broke. So what's happening here is the weeds out there are still gooey enough that they're causing a buildup on the sections here, which in turn made it break. So I'm trying to clean these sections off so that we can put a splice back where it broke and hopefully not have to repair or replace, an entire sickle bar, cutter bar. So that's my job, is to get this dried gook off of the sickles. And Jim's gonna work on the splice.
Bushel wheat down in the irrigated valley in Hardin, Montana. It is waist high.
Don't do it, you're too small.
I can jump.
Alright, let's see it. You just gotta be running. Can't stop. Run.
Just run?
Run and jump. I thought about it, and then I didn't think about it.
I'll jump as well.
I gotta pull the muscle of my butt cheek. That hurt. Pull some muscles.
All right, let me see it one time, Reagan.
Jump.
Yeah, now that I'm in the side view, I can see how far you're jumping.
See if I can jump that far. Oh, it's gonna be fun right down.
I'm done.
That's your little strategy of getting down? I'm gonna jump down, hopefully.
No,
I
do
break
a
my
cross.
legs? Huh?
Do a cross. It's easier.
That one looks like the softest.
I don't know. Jump.
Actually.
Just jump straight down.
Just go sideways. It's easier.
Straight
If
down.
you jump straight down, you're gonna face plant if you miss.
Yeah.
How's he gonna miss?
It's rigging. Just jump.
Good job.
We haven't done anything. Sat in our trailer house most of the day, which is okay. Jim's taking a little nap. I got notification that we are in a severe thunderstorm warning, and it's pretty hot right now. Hope that doesn't have any hail in it. Water here is so full of salt and minerals you can't drink it. I know the residents of Jordan drink it, but we don't drink it, and it doesn't do very well for plants. So we try to catch rainwater when we can. That wind is really shaking the trailer house. So the storm that we had this afternoon brought a lot of wind, blew a lot of dirt around, shook the trailer house, and about 10 drops of water. This one looks like maybe it's just going to produce a bunch of lightning. Probably not. We're not working because it's raining, so we're escaping for a little bit. Headed to Miles City just to go. You told me it wasn't gonna rain.
Did I?
Yep. August 8th, and it's about 10:30 in the morning. We got the phone call about an hour ago or so that we needed to head to the field. So regardless of what you're doing, you got to stop, drop, and go. So that's what we're doing. We're headed to the field. I think the hardest part about not being really ready to get up in the morning and go is that you have your day so geared for something else that you've got to turn it 360 degrees and focus on something different, and that sometimes is a little bit difficult for me to do because I was in my sewing room and now I'm headed out the door. Wow, it's no clouds in the sky today. Late start today, it's noon, but here we go. Both machines are up and running again, so let's keep them rolling. I guess that was the last of the lentils, so now we're moving back to wheat.